Good morning, students. Today we will continue exercise 6.5. So, in exercise 6.5, the first question is, for each geometric progression, find the common ratio R and then find AN. Okay. Now, I'll write the question here. They given the progression as 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 4, 3 by 8, etc. So this is the progression which they given for us, and what we should do is we have to find common ratio and also we have to find nth term of this progression. So here first term you have to write as first term in GP. First term in GP we have to denote with A only, and it is 3. Then common ratio. Common ratio should be represented with a small r, and the formula is A2 divided by A1. A2 meaning is second term in the progression. So if you see, first term is 3, second term is 3 by 2. In place of A by 2 you have to write 3 by 2 like this. This divided by, I am writing here somewhat big one. A1 means I am writing 3. So 3 is equals to 3 by 1. Already you know it. 3 I am writing as 3 by 1. This numerator 3 by 2 as it is I have to write it, and denominator 3 by 1. If it is going to numerator, I have to take reciprocal of that. So 3 by 1, if it is going to numerator, it becomes 1 by 3. Now you can cancel 3 and 3. The remaining number is 1 by 2. So we got common ratio of this progression as 1 by 2. Okay. Next, he asked to find AN. So you have to write as nth term of GP. So nth term of GP you have to denote with AN like this. A and N should not write besides. Okay, A is somewhat upside and N is called suffix, you will say suffix. Okay, AN. So the formula for nth term in the GP is A into R to the power of N minus 1. Now A means A should be replaced with what he given here. A means very good. A is equal to 3, and into R means R should be replaced with what here? 1 by 2 whole to the power of N minus 1. So N can't be replaced with any number because you have to find nth term only. Next, now 3 as it is, 1 power N minus 1 by 2 power N minus 1. 3 into 1 power. So here 1 power any number, it is 1 itself. It is 2 power n by 2. 3 into 2 power n by 2, if it is going to numerator, 2 by 2 power n. 3 2s are 6 by 2 power n. So this is the answer. So nth term of GP you can stop up to here also. 3 into half to the power of n minus 1. You can stop here. You can stop here, or you can calculate up to here. It is your wish. Okay. Then remaining you have to find common ratio and nth term like this only. Next we will go for second problem. Just I will show the textbook for you. And in textbook second problem they given as find the 10th and nth term of GP 5, 25, 125, etc. What he is asking? 10th term and nth term. Now the question number is 2. Second question. Progression they given as 5, 25, 125, etc. So what is first term? First term is denoted with A and it is 5. Common ratio. Common ratio should be represented with what? R, and the formula for common ratio is A2 divided by A1. A2 meaning is second term in the progression. This is progression. Comma separates the terms. 5 comma means 5 is called first term. 25 commas, 25 is second term. In place of A2, A2 should be replaced with 25 and A1 should be replaced with 5. 25 and 5 will go in any table or not? Yes, it will go in 5 table. 5 ones are 5 fives are. What is remained here? 5 by 1. 5 by 1 is nothing but 5. So you got the value of R. Yes or no? Then after getting the value of R, you should find A10. You should find A10. So you have formula for AN. Just now I explained to you. AN means A into R to the power of n minus 1. So A10 means A into R to the power of 10 minus 1. A means 5. R is also 5. 10 minus 1 is 9. 5 into 5 power 9. 5 means 5 power 1. Bases are equal. Powers must be added. 5 power 10 will come. 5 power 10. If you have time, you can expand it. Otherwise, leave it off. Then we will go for AN. He asked to find the 10th term and also nth term. 10th term and nth term of the GP. 10th term already I found it. And I got 5 power 10. Now we should go for nth term. So here formula for AN is what? A into R to the power of n minus 1. A means 5. R is also 5. N is as it is. Then 5 into 5 a power m minus n formula. A to the power of m minus n formula is a power m by a power n. 5 power n by 5 power 1. 5 power 1. 5 power 1 means 5 only. 5 cancels and you have 5 to the power of n. An is 5 power n. So what he is saying is first term is 5 power 1. A1 is equal to 5 power 1. A2 is equal to 5 square. A3 is equal to 5 cube. A4 is equal to 5 power 4. Like that, An is equal to 5 power n. A10 means 5 power 10. Like this, we got it. Okay. So, second problem is completed. Now, we will go for third problem. So, what he given third problem, see it once. So, you should see the textbook. See, mathematics. All teachers, what they will do is, without knowing also, maybe they will say, but in doing maths, first you have to analyze the problem. First you have to analyze means you should read, you should understand, and then you have to write given, because for writing given also you have some marks. So those who will go for corrections, they will understand about it. Okay, now third problem, we'll see it. What he given? Find the indicated term of each geometric progression. Find the indicated term of each geometric progression. So here, after reading this one, in third first bit, what he given? See it here. A1 is equals to 9. What he given? A1 is equals to 9 semicolon and R is equals to 1 by 3. And find A7. This is the question which they given for us. Okay, A1 is equal to 9, R is equal to 1 by 3, find A7. So we know that A1 and A are equal. First term and A are equal. So in place of A and A1 are equal 9. Okay, find A7 he asked. Now AN formula, write it. Formula for AN in GP is A into R to the power of n minus 1. Now, in place of n, write 7. A7 is equal to. A means A can be replaced with 9. R can be replaced with 1 by 3. N can be replaced with 7. Now, A7, LHS keep like that only. 9 as it is, 1 by 3. From 7, if you subtract 1, you are getting 6. 9 into A by B whole power n. Formula is A power n divided by B power n. So 1 by 3 whole power 6 can be written as 1 power 6 by 3 power 6. So 1 power 100, 2000, 2020, whatever it may be, 1 power any value is 1 only. 3 power 6, okay, you can write 3 power 6, but 9 you can write it as 3 square. 3 3 is a 9 or not? 3 square you can write it. Now it is like 3 square by 3 power 6. So you can write it as 3 power 2 minus 6, because a power m by a power n is equal to a to the power of m minus n formula. If you use this formula, you will get like this. Then 2 minus 6, 2 is plus, 6 is minus. So minus 4 will come. 1 by 3 power 4, 1 by 81. This is the answer for A7. Okay. So like this you have to find remaining. And fourth question, we'll see it. What is fourth question? Fourth question they given as which term of the GP. See, reading the question is very very important for us. So you should read question very carefully. The question is which term of the GP, don't stop up to here, 2, 8, 32 etc. is 512. Means first term of this GP is 2, second term of this GP is 8, third term of this GP is 32. Like that, which term becomes 512? Means you have to find the value of n. An is given for us. So what you have to do is just first write down the problem here first. So 2 comma 8 comma 32 comma etc. is 512. It is not only question. See, it's previously some matter is also there. Which term of this progression is 512? So which term of this I didn't write. Okay, so it is incomplete question. No one will give 2, 8, 32 dash etc. is 512. It's not complete question. Next, so progression is given and last term is given. So first term you can write it. First term can be represented with a and it is 2. Common ratio is r, and formula is a2 by a1. a2 is 8, a1 is 2. Cancellations, you got r is equal to 4, and an is equals to 512 you are writing. An is equals to 512. What is the formula for an? A into r to the power of n minus 1 is equals to 512. What I am doing is factorization. I am doing it. I am writing as product of prime numbers. So the least prime number is 2. So I am cancelling with 2 here. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 11. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2s are 8s are. 2 64s are. 2 32s are. 2 16s are. 2 8s are. 2 4s are. 2 2s are. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 512 you can write as 2 to the power of 9. Now a means you can write as 2. R means you can write as 4, n minus 1, same as it is. Okay. Now this 2 will go to this side. 4 can be written as 2 square whole power n minus 1 is equals to 2 power 9 by 2. So 2 power 9 by 2 means 2 power 9 by 2 power 1, like a to the power of m by a to the power of n. Formula is a to the power of m minus n. And LHS is a power m whole power n. Formula is a to the power of m into n. 2 square whole power n minus 1 I am writing as 2 power 2 into n minus 1 is equals to 2 to the power of 9 minus 1. 2 into n is 2n. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 is equals to 2 power 8. Okay. Now bases are equal. Powers must be equated. Powers must be equated. Then what you have to do, base here 2 is there, here also base 2 is there, is equal to is there. So bases are equal, powers must be equated. 2n minus 2 is equal to 8. minus 2 you are taking to this side, 8 plus 2 it becomes 2n is equals to 10, n is equals to 10 by 2 and n is equals to 5. So you got the value of n as 5. Like this we can find out if we know one nth term, means if you know progression and 512 is which term, means finding n value, an given, progression is given, we can find out the value of n. Okay, so next more 3 problems are there for us to complete the chapter, so I will do only one or something, remaining you do it. Okay, now fifth question I'll say to you, read the question first. Reading is very very important for us. So if you read fifth question, what he given is, find the 12th term of a GP whose 8th term is 192 and the common ratio is 2. So by reading the question you have to write given, I said already for you. So whose 8th term is 192, A8 is equals to 192 given for us. Common ratio is 2, R is equals to 2. What is the formula for an? A into R to the power of n minus 1. So A8 formula is A into R to the power of 8 minus 1. Now this A8 value substitute in this one, it is equation number 1. So LHS A8 is there, but A8 instead of writing this, write A into R power 8 minus 1 is equals to 192 is there or not? 192 write as it is. Okay. So A means we don't know the value of A, but R value as 2 power 8 minus 1 is how much? 7. 192 prime factorization, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 48s are 24s are 12s are 6s are 3s are. So you are getting a 2 power 6 into 3. I want the value of A. So 2 power 6 into 3 will go to numerator. 2 power 7 comes to denominator. So 2 power 6 means 2 into 2 into 6 times. 2 power 7 means 2 into 2 into 7 times. So this 6 times it will go and 1 2 will be remained in the down. A is equals to 3 by 2. You got the value of A. But he didn't ask to find out the value of A. He asked to find 12th term. Means he asked A12. Formula is A into R power 12 minus 1. What is A? 3 by 2. What is R? 2. 12 minus 1 is how much? 11. So 3 into 1 2 is there in the down. 11 2s are there. Means 1 2 1 2 will be cancelled. 2 power 10 will be there here. 2 power 10 is nothing but 1024 into 3. 3 4 is 12 to 1. 6 plus 1 7 0 3. So you are getting 3072. This is 12th term. So remaining 2 are there. So these 2 you should do as homework. And in next class I will start another new chapter. So mathematics for me it is very easy to complete fair notes. I can say very easily. So within seconds I can complete that word. But writing fair notes, it takes a lot of time, pain and everything. Write fair notes. Okay, because in coming year, means in this year, maybe they will give most importance for formative assessments. So I should give marks for you in formative. Okay, maybe if examinations, if they won't conduct by seeing at least this formative marks, they will give the ranks for you. So to award the marks, nothing is there in my hand also. Your handwriting, fair notes, do this, worksheets. Worksheets also I kept one link for you. So worksheets, the chapters which we completed, all the completed chapters worksheets of level 2 you should do it. Okay, it's not our school's process. It is government said about this one. So maximum if you write you will be benefited. Okay, thank you.